Hi, it's Ramesh and I live in Kolkata. So we can today talk the website. I know you all know what is the website and what the things have to do, but there are also the difference we have. One is informative website. Okay, we can see some of the corporate company, agency, and whatever the information the company share only for information, nothing else, like what their product service, their product have the product description, images, and their gallery function, the company, everything details, companies certificate, share only for the information though these are legal company, and that's it. Okay, this is a first informative website. Second, we can think like e-commerce. Okay, e-commerce means you can sell anything. Like if you have a product or you want to sell any product, you can list your category and how many category you want. Like anything, it's a grocery, it's a mm, okay. Second is e-commerce, and third we can database. We can database means a lot of things, but we can mention only one. You have a subscription base, like subscription base or any account, because like you have to register there and you have to log in and then you can access anything there. Nothing have much in anything. You don't have to do anything, maybe, or maybe you can do anything more, lots of things, that's a different. But you have to register. Without register you cannot do anything. You cannot inside the website. This is database, because this all data we can, because we can move to any other place, you can sell, you can buy, that all are data. That's I call the database. And third, we can say funnel. We can call funnel also. And okay, like you, if simple things we can funnel, you can describe like I want to buy, I want to need, sorry, we can say as a funnel simple, like you have a one book, okay, and you want to promote. How you promote? Just you can create a simple page, one screen, like left side you have a books and right side you can title, description, two line, and name, email box, and download. Okay, this is simple as soon as, and it's a most important. This landing page funnel are more conversation, more any landing page, any funnel. Okay, what the reason this one? Because when people are buy this free sample, they can send name, email, and you have the email database, and you will get the all email, and they will download the data and they will read. And if you have a more further any books or program service, you can redirect to the sales page, and they, if they need, they interested to buy, they can buy this. Okay, here is a main things funnel. As soon as simple you can create, you describe your product, you have a more conversation, because people are busy right now. Those of the day people are so busy where they don't have a time. Because how we don't have a time, like when we need anything, we are looking for anything and search Google any keyword whatever, and I will get lots of information. Google first page I will get 10 top 10, and I just click first one and I see 3 second, and it's not related to me, and just skip and I go from next. Okay, the 3 second and half, 2.5 second, you have to understand your customer, that what they are looking from. They all information is here. Okay, you don't have a 10 minute 5 minute to understand what product you have. So as soon as long you have a landing page, that's a good to understand. But people are don't first impression, people are don't understand, and they will skip to for next pages. So if one screen is landing page for any free sample or books for related uh, product you want to promote, that's more conversation you will get. This is funnel. I think you have, I am sure you don't know the website is category. So many more also categories there, but these are main category. One is informative, second was e-commerce. E-commerce we can under course also, and third is funnel. Whatever maybe you have a free sample, free download, is all our categories funnel. And we can describe the all three category in next video.